Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I, Deepmani Bhardwaj, welcomes you all again, and today we are going to discuss Sbi Apprentice 30 days study plan. Since we know that Sbi Apprentice examination is very near, so it's important to maintain a study plan and follow that plan as well. So what would be that plan? So we'll be discussing about that. So if we talk about the study plan, then the State Bank of India has released Sbi Apprentice 2020 notification for the recruitment of 8500 vacancies. As you are all aware about the total number of vacancies, that is 8500. The SBI recruitment application already started from 20th November and is going to end on 10 December, that is it has already ended now. So the online examination will be held tentatively in the month of January. Candidates who are aspiring to join banking sector have already applied for it, and those who have not applied for the next year, you must be aware about this, that it is a apprentice where a training is done for the 3 years and accordingly stipend is also given. So candidates who are appearing for this SBI apprentice, you must be aware about the syllabus. That is, in the single instance there are all 5 sections are coming, that is your maths, reasoning, English, computer and GA. Apart from SBI Apprentice, in all the other examinations that are conducted by SBI or IBPS, first of all there is prelims in which English, reasoning and maths is there, and in RRB this English section is eliminated. So if we talk about the 30 days plan of this SBI Apprentice, then you must start your plan from today itself. So from day 1, what you can do, from day 1, on the day 1, from the numerical ability part, you can start with your trigonometry part. From reasoning, go with coding decoding. From English language, go with subject verb agreement. From computer aptitude, go with computer abbreviations. And in financial awareness, go with Indian culture. On the next day, you can go with mensuration from quant part. From the reasoning part, you can go with Sherlock's and Venn diagrams. From English language, you can go with reading comprehension. From computer part, go with history of computers, modern day technology. And from financial awareness, go with the sport section. On the day 3, you can go with the algebra part from math section, alphabet series from reasoning, verb from English, network and communication from computer, and from the financial awareness section, go with current affairs related to national and international issues of last 6 months. As you know that these last 6 months always play a significant role or crucial role. On the day 4, from the quant part, go with profit and loss. From the reasoning section, go with number series. From English part, go with adverb. From the computer, you can go with the database basics on the day 4th. And from the financial awareness section, go with overview of Indian financial system. On the day 5, practice time and distance from numerical ability, analogy and classification from reasoning, error correction from English, basics of hacking, security tools and viruses from computer, history of Indian banking system in financial awareness. On the day 6, you can go with time and work from numerical ability, directions from reasoning part. From English, go with unseen passages. From computer, go with basics of hardware and software. And from financial awareness, you must go for recent credit and monetary policies. On the day 7th, you can go with the geometry from maths, seating arrangements from reasoning, sentence improvement and phrase replacement from English, Windows operating system basics from computer, and Indian history from financial awareness. On the day 8th, go with ratio and proportion from numerical ability, non-verbal reasoning from reasoning ability, idioms from English, internet terms and services from computer, and famous days and dates from financial awareness. On the day 9th, go with age calculations from numerical ability, blood relations from reasoning, tenses from English, basic functionalities of MS Office from computer, Indian politics from financial awareness. On the day 10, you can go with calendar and clock, statements and conclusion, synonyms and antonyms, fundamentals of computer and Indian parliament. On day 11th, you will be going with DI, that is data interpretation. From reasoning section, you will be going with similarities and differences. From English, you can go with sentence and para completion. From computer part, go with internet and its usage. From the financial awareness, you can go with basic GK. Now on 12th day, you are going to start number system In the reasoning part, you will be going with analytical reasoning. From English part, you will be going with para-jumbles. You can start your revision from day 12th for the computer section. And in financial awareness, you will be going with books and authors. On day 13th, go with simple and compound interest from numerical ability part. From reasoning ability part, go with arguments and assumptions. From English language part, go with sentence rearrangement. And go for the revision part from the computer section. In the financial awareness section, go with awards and honors. On the day 14th, go with statics part from numerical ability, data interpretation, fill in the blanks, revision of computer and geography part from financial awareness. From day 15th, you can go with the percentage part of the numerical ability, decision making from reasoning, close test from English, revision of computer and environment from financial awareness. On the day 16th, go with ratio and proportion from numerical ability, Shillocks and Venn diagrams from reasoning, vocab from English, revision of computer and Indian economy from financial awareness. On the day 17th, you can go with age calculation from numerical ability, alphabetical series from reasoning ability, grammar from English, revision of computer and inventions, that is all the questions which are related to different invention. For example, it may be dynamo or something like that, so you can go with that also. So on day 18th, you will be going with trigonometry from maths, numerical series from reasoning, grammar from English, revision of the computer, and from the financial awareness part, you can go with the basic computer also. Fine. On the day 19th, go with geometry from maths, analogy and classification from reasoning, revision of the English, revision of the computer and famous books and authors. It is important, it is asked in the examination. Fine. Go with number system on day 20th, data interpretation, revision, practice sessions and revisions. So now you can see that revision is going to play a significant role, because by revision you will be able to understand what all practices you have done and of what level you have done. That is important. On the day 21st, you can go with the doubt clearing session, decision making from reasoning section. You must go with the practice quiz on odd sentence out, practice as already told you on the computer part, and revision from financial awareness. Now you can take doubt clearing sessions from the entry part. You can go with non-verbal reasoning in the reasoning, and you must practice on theme detection in the English part. Start practicing computer and go with the practicing again for the financial awareness. Now from here you will be starting all your revision part. So just start your revisions, and for this revision part you can go with the entry application where there are different tests are there, different mocks are there. Please follow that. In case you have any doubt, you can ask from us. So now your practice will start. So as you can see, practice is going on, but apart from that you have to just revise those formulas also. So on the day 25th you can go with the basic formulas of the geometry section. You can ask your doubts from the reasoning part. You must practice word association from the English part. Practicing is needed for all the sections. Similarly, you can list up your formulas of the mensuration part on day 26. You can clear up your doubts from the reasoning part. You can practice quiz on the reasoning reading comprehension from the English part. You must attempt the previous year papers on 26th day. On the 27th day, again you can practice the previous year's question, because practicing previous year question is going to give you the idea what type of questions are asked in the examination. On the day 28th, again you can go with the revision part. So go with the revision on day 28th and day 29th. On the day 30th, you can attempt a mock test for numerical ability. Similarly for the reasoning ability also you can attempt the mock test. For English part also you can attempt the mock test, similarly for the computer and similarly for the financial awareness. So overall you can see that I have made a plan in such a way that is in the top 20 days you will be revising each and everything, and since 20th day you can just start your practicing. Fine. And practicing will be done how? You can just download your Entri application, and from Entri application you can go with the mock test and other examination. In case you have any doubt over there, then comment section is available for you. Faculties are always available for you. You can just comment and faculties are going to help you out. Fine. But if we talk about the tips to prepare well, then you must set your short-term goals, because if candidate is having a goal, that means he will be able to qualify that examination, because once goal is set, then we are also aware of what kind of path is needed, isn't it? So candidate has to devise a goal based timeline. Then check for focus areas. After getting the details about the examination, you should analyze the topics in which you are strong or weak. So you must start working on your topic in which you need more attention. That is your weak areas. Prepare short notes for doing quick revision for the examination. These short notes are going to help you out a lot in the main examination part. Then time management. The key to success depends on how well you manage the time, because you know that the questions are many and the time is less. So more, it is totally depending upon the time, how well we are able to manage the time. So more you can manage the time in the best way, you can manage the time in the best way, you can get the selection. Fine. Avoid any guesswork. Guessworking is not going to be valid here. It can take your time, so do not guess. Apart from taking time, sorry, it is not going to take your time. Guessing may lead to negative marking, and to prevent from yourself from the negative marking, you must avoid guessing as well. So guessing may lead you to the wrong answer, which will increase your negative marking. Also, do not waste time on one question and move on to the next if you are not sure and that the particular answer is correct. Read the complete question. Students are required to avoid the mistake of reading incomplete questions and arriving at incorrect answer eventually. So reading the questions carefully and checking what is being asked, effective examination tips and faster memorization tips can be utilized while preparing for the examination. So always read questions carefully and please read whole question, because sometimes it happens that we are aware of the question, but while reading that question, if we miss some part and first option matches and we just click and move on to the next, which just leads to the negative marking. So be aware of that. Fine. So these are some basic tips, but the main thing was that for the starting of those 20 days, please go with the same timetable so that you can even practice after 20 days. Fine. In case you have any doubt, comment section is available for you. So please do comment. Like this video, share it as much as possible, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.